In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions on Kapwing. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just getting started, transitions can significantly enhance the flow and polish of your video projects. So, let's dive right in and learn how to seamlessly integrate this essential feature into your video editing process. First things first, open up your Kapwing workspace and navigate to your current project. Now, once you're inside your project, you're going to want to head over to the Transitions section. This is where the magic truly begins. You might see a selection of options or a tab labeled distinctly for transitions. Exploring this area will be your starting point. Think of it as your toolkit for adding flair to your videos. Once you're comfortably in the Transitions section, take a moment to browse the various transitions available. You'll notice that there's a wide array, each offering a different style or effect, some subtle, others more dramatic. This is where your personal touch comes into play. Look through the options and envision how each transition might elevate the storytelling aspect of your video. A fade-in transition, for instance, could add a gentle touch, while a slide transition might create a dynamic, energetic vibe. Now it's time to select a transition that resonates with you or aligns with the mood you're trying to convey. Choosing the right transition can make a world of difference, so trust your instincts. Some people love experimenting with different types, while others might prefer something consistent throughout the video. Whichever path you choose, remember there's no right or wrong, just what feels right for your project. When you've found the perfect transition, simply select it. As you go through these steps, here's a little tip. Don't shy away from previewing the transitions. Many platforms, including Kapwing, offer a preview function that allows you to see how a transition flows between your clips. Utilize this feature to ensure that the transition you've chosen fits seamlessly with your content. If it doesn't quite hit the mark, you can always try out different options until you find one that does. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through adding transitions to your video on Kapwing. These seemingly small tweaks carry the power to transform the viewer experience, enhancing both engagement and visual appeal. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue experimenting with different types and styles of transitions across your projects. Over time, you'll develop a keen eye for what works best, elevating not only your individual videos but also your overarching storytelling abilities. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With these skills in your editing toolbox, you're well on your way to crafting videos that are as compelling as they are visually stunning. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and happy editing!